Welcome to Rivara, where recently we've just finished completing the erection of the tower crane. It stands about 63 metres above ground. It's got a great 65 metre reach in the jib and can lift up to 12 tonne for us. As you can see behind me, we're well into the excavation. We're moving up to 55,000 cubic metres of material, which is a combination of reuse and export off-site. To date, 280 of the 566 piles have been installed in the ground. They go down to a maximum of 36 metres deep. The piling rig stands a lofty 40 metres above the ground level, which requires a lot of delicate geotechnical engineering to traverse the site. Throughout this month, some in-ground hydraulics, bulk earthworks and piling will continue. Next month we start in-ground services works, in-ground service pits, footings and working towards our first slab pour. Rivara is developed and built by the in-house traders construction team. This gives us full control of cost control, program and quality. Integral to the quality for which Traders in Purple is renowned, our in-house construction teams oversee every aspect of delivery, maintaining a 100% completion record. As a national integrated builder developer for more than 20 years, Traders in Purple's industry-leading team brings more than 500 years of combined experience, gained through working on some of Australia's most complex and iconic projects